Curious how to add one of these countdown timers to your OBS setup? Stick around, I'll show you how in a minute. Hi, I'm Sash. Today I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer in OBS Studio. Before starting anything, make sure that your OBS Studio software is completely closed. Note that it shouldn't just be minimized, it must be fully exited. First, open the link I've shared in the description. Next, download the latest version of the plugin from this section. Here, select the version suitable for your system. Download it and install it. For example, I'm downloading and installing the 64-bit Windows version. Once the plugin is installed, open OBS Studio. Now, if you go to the Docs menu at the top, you will notice a new option named Countdown Timer added at the bottom of the list. Click on it to open a new window. I'll place this window in my preferred position. Next, in the Source section, click on the Add button and create a new text source. I'll name this source Timer. For the content of this text source, leave it blank and click OK. Now, in the Countdown Timer doc we added earlier, click the plus icon to add a new timer. Then, click the gear icon to access the timer settings. In the Settings window, select the desired source. I'll choose the text source I created earlier, named Timer, and then click OK. Using the newly added timer in the Countdown Timer doc, input your desired values, such as days, hours, minutes, and seconds. Update the timer on your screen using this icon to display your selected time on the screen. Since I want my timer to appear in the center of the screen, I'll select the text source, right-click, choose Transform, and then Center to Screen to position it precisely in the middle. You can place your timer anywhere you like. As you can see, playing the timer starts counting down the time. Another feature of this timer is the ability to set a specific date and time. It will then count down from the current moment to that exact time. As you can see, the timer is counting down to the specified time. One more feature of this plugin is that when the timer reaches 0, it can display a custom message instead of showing 0. For example, I'll set it in the dock settings to show the word hello when the timer hits 0. As you can see, when the timer reaches 0, it displays the word hello. Another cool feature of this plugin is the ability to switch scenes when the timer hits 0 instead of displaying a message or timer. With some creativity, the target scene can include any design you want. For example, a festive birthday screen or anything else you can imagine. For demonstration, I'll create a text in the end scene, name it New Sample Text, and set its content to This is a new text. I'll also set the font size to 150. But you can use your preferred font and size or customize this scene however you like. I'll place this text at the center of this screen. Now, in the countdown timer dock settings, I'll set the end scene as the target scene. After the timer ends, the screen will switch to this scene. As you can see, once the timer ends, the screen switches to the scene I set earlier in the timer settings. Remember, since the timer pulls input from a text file, you can apply any visual changes you want to the text, such as resizing the font, changing its style, or any other customization. Another feature of this plugin is the ability to configure what the timer displays. For example, you can hide days, hours, minutes, or seconds, or choose not to show unnecessary leading zeros. Keep in mind that if you leave this option checked, the numbers will stop counting down and instead increasing in ascending order. Here is a whole playlist full of awesome OBS tricks. It's definitely worth checking out. See you on next video.